Okay, this is video 4, I believe, of chapter 2. Okay, so this time we're going to deal with 2 different files. And we want to launch your PowerPoint. So if your PowerPoint is launched, okay, and then we want to launch Word. So open up Word. Hopefully Word is, you have Word on there somewhere. We're going to go to Open, and on my PC or on my Mac, and we want to find the file called Other Resources. So not the number, don't do 2, just do Other Resources. Well, let's see if this will work for us. So we're going to click on Other Resources. So we have our Word file. I'm going to move it over here a little bit. And then we're going to go back to PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint, we're also going to open a file. And we want to open the file called Cashier Training. Okay, and I am going to minimize it just a little bit so I can see my Word document. Okay, and on our PowerPoint presentation, we're going to save as. So make sure you're on PowerPoint, and it says PowerPoint here. And save as. We're going to put it right back into chapter 2. And so we want to call this one our username and cashier training solution. Okay, and hit save. Okay, over here we want to switch to our outline view. So we're going to go to View and Outline View so that we have our outline view over here, and that is our presentation outline pane. Okay, we want to click after the last bullet point on the last slide. So we're going to scroll down here, and this is our last slide. This is our last bullet point. Okay, we're going to click down there to where your insertion point is there, and we're going to hit enter. And then remember, we want to start a new slide, so it was Shift Tab, and that will start a new slide. Okay, we're going to go to the Open Other Resources document, so this one right here. Okay, and we want to select the heading Other Resources and press Control-C to copy it to the clipboard. Okay, so we want to select this and do Command-C to copy it. Okay, we're going to go over here into the PowerPoint, and that right there by that okay, I'm going to click in there. All right, and then I'm going to Command V so that we paste it in there. Okay, the text appears as the slide's title, and a paste options icon appears, and so you'll see this little paste icon. Okay, if the icon is not displayed, we want to move the mouse pointer over slide 9 icon to the left paste, but it is there, so we're going to click on that pull down. Okay, so we have this little paste option. Let me see if I can move my PowerPoint up a little bit. Sorry. There we go. Move it up just a little. Okay, and so right here is my little PowerPoint, or I mean my little paste icon, and we want to click paste. The paste options icon, and its menu contains paste options. Okay, we want to do keep source formatting, and so that's this, and we're going to keep the blue. Okay, and then we want to go over here and we want to select the bulleted list. We're going to do Control Copy again. Okay, and so then we're going to go over here and we are going to click inside this text box, okay? And we are going to go up to Home, oops, and go to paste and paste special. And this is a box that we're going to get, and since we're coming in from a Word document, we're going to do formatted text RTF and click OK. Okay, and when you do that, it's going to insert this Word information into your onto your slide. Okay. All right, we're going to switch over here to normal view. And I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger so that you can see what it looks like right here. Okay, and I'm going to hit backspace to get rid of that extra bullet that we have there. Okay, on your home tab, we want to click the new slide drop down arrow and slides from outline. Okay, so we're going to go to home and we're going to do new slide. Okay, and from new slide, we're going to go outline. Okay, in the insert outline dialog box, we're going to navigate to the data files. So we're going to find our data files. Okay, and we want to select contacts. So we're going to use this TXT file. Okay, and we are going to click insert. Okay, a new slide appears containing the content from the contacts text. Now, if you'll notice that TXT file, this is what it looks like. Now we can do some different things with it. So we can select, we can make it, this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so we're going to do Control X to cut it. I'm going to put it down here in my document. And then this is going to be my title, so I'm going to delete, go here at the bottom, and I'm going to hit delete until that is my title. So there's a few extra steps that you have to do when you're working with a Mac, but we still can do insert the information from Word documents. Okay, all right, we are going to save this cashier training. So we're going to hit the save button. Okay, and then we are going to go over here to Word and we want to close this. So with Word open, we can go here to Word and quit Word. So that's going to close that document. All right, and we're going to leave the presentation open so that we can use it in our next step-by-step. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of print preview and stuff like that so that you can see how we would print if we were going to print. Okay, make sure you're in normal view. So go to view and make sure you're in normal. Then we want to go up here to file, to the gray file, right? And we want to go to print. Okay, now when you do print, it shows a little bit less. If we click on, let's go ahead and click on show details. It shows a little bit less than what you do in a PC. It looks a little different. And so make sure that you kind of follow along with this. Okay. We're not going to, if it tells you right here to select a printer, we're not going to worry about a printer right now because we are not going to print. We want to click the, where are we at? We want to click the next page button, so right here. And so notice that you can go through and look at each one of the slides that you are doing. Right now it's telling you that we are going to do all 10 slides, full slides. All right, so this is slide layout. Let's say we want to do it to 2 slides per page. All right, so this is how it would look if we did 2 slides per page. Usually if we were to print in class, we would do 6 per page. If you click over a little bit, you will have 6 here, and then you will have 4 on this page. Now, if we were on a PC, we would say vertical. You could do 6 slides vertical, 6 slides horizontal. Here on a Mac, it's just 6 slides, period. Okay. You can also print your outline. And so this is going to be the outline of your whole entire presentation. You can click on notes, and so depending if you left notes on each one of your slides so that you could present it to your crowd, okay, it would show up on here if you print notes out. Okay, we want to click the return to document. So on the PC, all we're going to do, or on the Mac, I'm sorry, we're just going to hit cancel, and it takes us back to our document. Okay, so we're going to hit save to make sure that we have it all saved. And that is it for Chapter 2 PowerPoint.